In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your GoDaddy domain renewal in just a few minutes. Whether you're managing multiple domains or simply don't want a specific one to renew automatically, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to godaddy.com. Once the homepage loads, log into your account using your credentials. Logging in will take you to your dashboard, where all of your GoDaddy products and services are listed. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click on My Products. This section displays every product tied to your account, including your domains. Now look for the Renewals and Billing tab. Click on it to see detailed information about upcoming charges, renewal dates, and billing preferences. Inside the Renewals and Billing area, you'll find a tab labeled Subscriptions. Click on this to view a complete list of all active subscriptions connected to your account. This is where GoDaddy shows which domains and services are set to auto-renew. Locate the domain you want to manage. Next to it, you'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options button. Click on it and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Turn Off Auto Renew. Confirm your choice, and GoDaddy will immediately deactivate the automatic renewal for that domain. You should also receive an email confirmation verifying that the change has been made. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your GoDaddy domain renewal. It's always a good idea to double check your subscription settings afterward, just to be sure everything updated correctly. By turning off auto renew, you stay in full control of your domains, avoid unexpected charges, and keep your domain portfolio aligned with your current needs.